I wanted to make a video about to all the new gun owners. That's my question is, what's up? Like, how's it been going? Like, you got some new firepower, you got some new firearms. How's it been going? You've been, buying holsters. You got your holster. You've been buying accessories. Have you been upgrading it? Have you been hitting the range? Like, leave comments down below. Like, how's it been going? I mean, is it everything you expected? Because with me, I'm not as new as you guys, but I've definitely been enjoying this whole, journey as I learn about my firearms. So yeah, as you can see on my channel, I've got several new guns. So that's another question. How many guns have you picked up? Do you just got one or do you got multiple? I definitely am enjoying this, and so I have multiple. Even like with this one, this is a FN 509. I bought this one because it came with pretty much everything that I thought I might upgrade. It had a good stippling. It has the iron sights. Like on my Glock 40, I had to actually swap out the sights because, plastic sights, and I'm a fan of Glock big time. But like I said, this one I just wanted to buy one that had pretty much everything in it. I didn't want to go purchase a Glock and then make it into a Gucci Glock. But what ended up happening is, kind of ironic, is when I got this, I realized that I actually like assembling, putting together a new gun and making it just mine. So like with this one, like I said, it's not loaded or anything. I put the Sig Romeo 0 on this one, and I'm sure other people don't necessarily have the same one on it because, see the gap. I just wanted to see something. Like I said, I'm not necessarily too super new, but I'm finding fun in assembling it. So as you can see, this is the way this one is built. Everything about this I enjoy, but on my Glock 40 is for my which is actually a Glock 23, but I call it a Glock 40 because of 40 cal. I changed the sights on that. I even changed the magazine release. Like I said, I just starting to have fun with it. And then this is actually the holster for my Glock 40. But that's another thing I'm finding out as you purchase these products. Some of them can actually go for multiple, uses. So, like I said, like, how is it going with y'all? Like, have you been picking up magazines? Like, you got extra magazines? So I got, this one comes with the 15. I'm just showing you the FN right now. But I also got the extendo, So how's it been going for you new gun owners, man? Are you getting comfortable with it? Are you taking it to the range? How many times you been to the range? Are you meeting people? That's another thing that I'm really finding out, that just like with this Corvette, I'm actually meeting more people and just talking to other people, as well as people in the gun community on YouTube. But also when you go to the range, when I pull out that gold Desert Eagle, that 50 caliber, yeah, people are like, whoa, what is that? Or when I take the AKV and I, bump. People are loving it too. So, they start asking questions. And then, same thing. When I see somebody got, something that I've never seen in the range, same way. I've yet to go to an outside range yet, but that's definitely something I want to do. And like I said, I'm asking these questions just as a way to learn more, but also as a way to get familiar. But one of the things I've also been noticing, like some of the folks like Demolition Ranch, Hick 45, Hick 45, who else? There's some other folks, man. I noticed that they have enough land where they can actually shoot out of their backyard. That's something I want to do. Be able to have a range in my backyard, so I can use the metal sights, I can use the paper sights, I can set up little pigs like 45 do, and some of the other folks. That's what I want to get. So it's encouraging me and inspiring me to keep going. So that's why I make the video to ask y'all these questions, like, how's it going? And if you finding it hard to meet different people, man, let me know. We can conversate about different things and we can compare guns. And like I said, I'm in Texas, so we're probably a week away from being constitutional carry. So that's going to be a big thing too. Oh man, some people over there, they're building a new building over there. Got two people hanging from I forgot what they call it, standing on the top. But yeah, anyway. But yeah, like I said, we almost about to have constitutional carry. I was actually waiting. But yeah, that's gonna be something different, you know. Another question, have you went to the class? You know, like I said, constitutional carry in Texas is not gonna necessarily require the class anymore. But what I would tell you is you will learn a lot of information. You will learn a whole lot of information about gun safety. If you don't know, a whole bunch of like I said, a whole bunch of information about what happens, as well as some different companies that can provide lawyers or whatever if you ever get caught in a situation such as self-defense that you needed to. So I mean, I didn't know a lot of that stuff, so I appreciated going to the class and learning. Mine is Nardis Gun Club, and I appreciate it. So like I said, as I meet different people, as I grab more and pick up more guns, I start to realize how important Second Amendment right is. So, but yeah, man, I didn't want to make this video too long, but I just wanted to ask you guys, how y'all enjoying it? You know, this is for all the new gun owners. I know it's all the other folks that have been here, you know, 10 years on YouTube and everything, but how are this question is for the new gun owners. Like, how are y'all doing, man? Leave some comments down, subscribe. I'm gonna have some more videos coming, and y'all have a great day.